Hi viewers, good morning. This is Anjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my student Shotao. Namaskar, Dhanyavad, Diyanu, Assalamu alaikum, Marhaba, Lajahav, Sabal Khair, Privet. Viewers, my students, today we are going to view the exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are commonly spoken in English societies. These are very important and they have particular importance. These exclamatory sentences or phrases show a sudden feeling or expression. These phrases, such type of phrases or sentences, show a sudden human feeling or expressions of joy and sorrow. These are very common in English speaking societies and they are very oftenly pronounced in those societies at the time of a sudden expression or feeling. These feelings may be of joys and sorrows. So let's see these phrases and make a practice with these phrases because humans like beauties and humans fear from death. So this is the cause of these exclamatory sentences and phrases. So there are times when people show or express a certain feeling, a certain expression of joy or sorrow. Let's see a few phrases, a few sentences behind on the whiteboard and make a practice with these phrases and you should memorize these all together. These phrases are also taught in higher academic studies in higher educational institutions. Let's see these phrases and make a practice with these exclamatory phrases. These are very important. They have a great importance in our society because they relate to persons, they relate to human beings. That's why they have a great importance. Let's start these phrases behind on the whiteboard. First you see, first one is what a nice dress. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. कितना उम्दा लिबास है. What a nice dress. You may see there that what a nice dress. And at the end of this phrase statement, here's the sign. This is an exclamatory sign, an exclamation because it's a sudden expression of feelings. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. कितना उम्दा लिबास है. What a nice dress she is wearing. What a nice dress he is wearing. What a nice dress. कितना उम्दा लिबास है. What a nice dress. At the end of such phrases or sentences, this exclamatory sign is written. So memorize that. What a nice dress. Most of the phrases start with the what. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. कितना उम्दा लिबास है. You guys, you see the first phrase, first sentence. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. कितना उम्दा लिबास है. This shows an sudden expression of feeling of joy. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. इतना उम्दा, इतना खूबसूरत लिबास है. Let's see the next phrase. Can you see the next one is what a nice fellow. What a nice fellow. What a nice fellow. कितना अच्छा साथी है. What a nice fellow. What a nice fellow. What a nice fellow. कितना अच्छा साथी है. What a nice fellow. 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 कितना अच्छा साथी है. What a nice fellow. कितना अच्छा साथी है. Can you see my students? Again, the what is used in this exclamatory statement. What a nice fellow. What a nice fellow. कितना अच्छा साथी है. What a a nice fellow, what a nice fellow, कितना अच्छा साथी है. In this tense, the complement is shown, a praise is shown for the fellow. The fellow may be he or she. So this is a complimentary expression. This is a complimentary expression. This is an expression of praise. This is an expression of praise for he or she. So a beautiful phrase. What a nice fellow. What a nice fellow. कितना उम्दा साथी है. What a nice fellow. What a nice fellow. कितना उम्दा साथी है. What a nice fellow. कितना उम्दा साथी है. Let's see the next phrase. आइए अगला phrase देखते हैं. Next statement is what a nice scene. 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 कितना उम्दा मंजर है. 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 This phrase, this statement is also an expression of good feelings. Good feelings. There are many more sites around the world, beautiful sites, amazing sites. So when we cite some amazing scenes on these sites, then this expression is often pronounced. What a nice scene. What a nice scene. कितना दिलकश मंजर है. When we study the nature, we have thousands of thousands beautiful scenes in nature which are praised, which are complimented. So this statement reflects about the nature. This statement shows that nature is praised in this statement. What a nice scene. What a nice scene. What a lovely scene. What a nice scene. कितना दिलकश मंजर है. What a nice scene. What a lovely scene. What a nice scene. कितना दिलकश मंजर है. Let's see the next phrase. आइए अगला phrase देखते हैं. What a nice joke. What a nice joke. What a nice joke. What a nice joke. कितना दिलकश मजाक है. What a nice joke. What a nice joke. कितना दिलकश मजाक है. What a nice joke. कितना दिलकश मजाक है. What a nice joke. 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 कितना दिलकश मजाक है. What a nice joke. What a nice joke. कितना दिलकश मजाक है. This phrase, this statement have great concerns among humans because there are fables, there are stories, there are dialogues, there are laughs, there are a lot of jokes. So these jokes seems sweet to human minds, to human thoughts. They touch the human thoughts and human minds. So these jokes around the world among the humans are very important. They are of very importance. So jokes keep men. Jokes keep humans. Jokes keep humans. Jokes keep humans smiling and thoughtful. So jokes are a part of human life. The jokes are part of human life. So this phrase is said in that regard. Let's read it out again. आइए से दोबारा से पढ़ते हैं. What a nice joke. What a nice joke. कितना दिलकश मजाक है. What a nice joke. What a nice joke. कितना दिलकश मजाक है. What a nice joke. What a nice joke. कितना दिलकश मजाक है. What a nice joke. कितना दिलकश मजाक है. Let's see the next phrase. What a lovely day. What a lovely day. कितना प्यारा दिन है. What a lovely day. What a lovely day. कितना प्यारा दिन है. What a lovely day. What a lovely day. कितना प्यारा दिन है. What a lovely day. 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 कितना प्यारा दिन है. What a lovely day. What a lovely day. This phrase, this statement reflects the nature because Nature appeals to humans. Nature always appeals to humans in any form. Nature is a blessing of Almighty Allah. It appeals humans in any forms. We enjoy the nature, we enjoy the seasons, we enjoy the so many gifts of nature. So this phrase, this statement, and this statement reflects the nature. So let's read it out. What a lovely day! What a lovely day! What a lovely day! What a lovely day! कितना प्यारा दिन है. What a lovely day! कितना प्यारा दिन है. What a lovely day! कितना प्यारा दिन है. What a lovely day! What a lovely day! What a lovely day! What a lovely day! I ever heard. What a lovely day, what a lovely day I ever heard in my life. What a lovely day, कितना प्यारा दिन है. What a lovely day I ever heard in my life. What a lovely day. Amazing, surprising. It's a great sentence. It's a great statement. Why you should memorize it. Let's see the next phrase, next statement. Can you see the next one is? What a nice dance, what a nice dance, what a nice dance. कितना दिलकश बंदे हैं. What a nice dance, what a nice dance, what a nice dance. कितना दिलकश रक्स है. What a nice dance, what a nice dance. कितना दिलकश रक्स है. What a nice dance, what a nice dance. कितना दिलकश रक्स है. What a nice dance, what a nice dance. कितना दिलकश रक्स है. This is also a very beautiful statement. It reflects human acts. Dance is an human act, and dancing is a fun. And people, humans are humans. Humans are dedicated. Humans are there to enjoy dance, to enjoy such functions. So dance relates to human acts. It is a great act of dancing. Dancing is a fun, so humans enjoy such sort of things, such sort of activities. So it's a great phrase again. What a lovely dance. What a lovely dance. What a nice dance. What a nice dance. कितना दिलकश रक्स है. What a nice dance. कितना दिलकश रक्स है. Okay, you guys, these are very important phrases, and we certainly feel that these are expressions of joys. All of these reflect the expression of joys, expression of feelings, certain feelings, certain feelings of human body, expression of humans, certain feelings and joys. Let's repeat these phrases again. आइए इन जुमलों को एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं. You see the first one is what a nice dress. What a nice dress. कितना उम्दा लिबास है. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. कितना उम्दा लिबास है. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. कितना उम्दा लिबास है. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. कितना उम्दा लिबास है. What a nice dress. What a nice dress. कितना उम्दा लिबास है. And next is what a nice fellow. What a nice fellow. कितना अच्छा साथी है. What a nice fellow. What a nice fellow. कितना अच्छा साथी है. What a nice fellow. What a nice fellow. कितना अच्छा साथी है. And next is what a nice scene. What a nice scene. What a nice scene. What a lovely scene. What a lovely scene. कितना उम्दा मंदिर है. What a lovely scene. कितना दिलकश मंदिर है. What a nice scene. कितना दिलकश मंदिर है. And next is what a nice joke. What a nice joke. What a nice joke. What a nice joke. कितना दिलकश मजाक है. What a nice joke. What a nice joke. कितना दिलकश मजाक है. What a nice joke. What a nice joke. कितना दिलकश मजाक है. And next is what a lovely day. What a lovely day. What a lovely day. कितना प्यारा दिन है. What a lovely day. What a lovely day. कितना प्यारा दिन है. And last one is what a nice dance. What a nice dance. कितना दिलकश रक्स है. What a nice dance. What a nice dance. कितना दिलकश रक्स है. What a nice dance. कितना दिलकश रक्स है. Hey, you my students, make a good practice with these very interesting exclamatory phrases. Memorize these phrases and subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching my videos and don't forget to give your comments. I'll see you again. Goodbye.